Yo. Asia. Ghana entertainment industry. Asia. Enra. Yanka bianshem anye hu se alodia aba abonten na o chrekre nsemu nia ekoso ewo ShattaFest UK a mass stampede ne ba ye challenges mu ko mu ticketing onsem wan. But Abrami who alodia live no ewo TikTok no. And I'm sending link ni ma me manager righteous. Some catch and koku. Alodia live way na oye no. Ebema Wale ababonting. I don't know Debbie. Sir Wale issue press statement into on your show. I'm saying no. And some na alodia air cano. And I say and some alodia person catch a Ghana for no. E kwina all faswa all can semono. And yene kwina no because Ghana for no sabi yaswasi amasa kana communication no. And until the baby Shatta beba bonting. And I'm going to say, okay, yen share. Before we could say Jack, and I mean who said, Wale, as so as you so, our TikTok. Now, in so boa, yo. Now,
why we don't make the narrations right for people to come and lose their lives because of what you want to gain or what you want to get? Where do we do? What is this? Say them and show some come in. Challenge me how to do show me the fight Cancellation and Papa. I do show me the come. Yo, challenge. Wait, can't see me this. Say gas blast into this gas. Mama, I don't like those things. Me I'm look. If they come from my show, chop fufu, banku, and make heavy, gari. Eba, eat something from home. Don't. Shatta Wale, I go bring gas cooker come there, bro. Gas cooker. Who tells you I want chop kill with it? Somebody. Who tells you I want chop trophy? Bro, where it's come? Village like you protect from Ghana come enter white man country, you know. It's ShattaFest. It's not party in the park, my nigga. Which can I be that? If we do show for a car set, the people where did they sell for set? It did far from the crowd. What you go see be maybe water. And someone they sell PK, some of those things. Like my show, there's somebody carry gas cylinder. Say he won't cook fufu. I go slap that person. Hey. Sometimes when I talk, you see, I hear some people from internet and Shatta, the park where we go top with, I go scan. He big papa. I know some for. He big. We could have a beautiful event. Make people feel free. As people say, after you say people even buy ticket. Tell the white, make they open the place, make a place open. What greed? How much money did you want? How much money did you want to get? My show, they fry Cancellation. They fry. Actually, hey, that's where we did. Say somebody want to drink soup. Mama, if you drink soup, why you like people that my parents say they do party in the park? Why you like people? You like people that my parents, Pekins, uncles, you like everybody say you do party in the park. That's what I'm saying. Most of you, they watch this, the physical world. You know, they watch the spiritual world. That is what is happening. You hear me? That is what is happening. You understand me? I talk. You understand me? How you go to do that? Sometimes it's sad, oh. Shatta Wale, I did try. You understand me? I did try make, not only my fans saving, make Ghanaians feel proud, but where they say no, for leave Ghana. He bring Ovi, one guy fry pan, no. Bama, me boo rough. So that you put why? Show that they do. Then somebody bring gas cylinder. Hey, the people brought that because you lied to them that it was a party in the park. You lied to the fans, one, and you lied to the council and the people with the organize the event, two. That is why they kept telling you. But why? Or maybe they thought this are the caterer. Hey, they might show somebody carry oil where they go fry yam. You can't set up fire for my car. But I see those people. Anyway, I can go social and see somebody they can't fry proper. Or maybe won't fry watermelon. Me. What kind of life be that? That's why you put the fee. Perform for this O2 and say the people that know you. Maybe because as Saturday said they can't do this in O2 said they talk for them say, I hope you guys are not going to bring copots. I hope some of you are not going, your people are weird. Somebody will bring summer. We'll be there, or somebody will bring pepper soup. Which kind of life it is? How much? Why? What life it is? Shatta Wale show. You make cylinder blast. Hey, I don't see this long for Charlie. People, you like to Ghana musicians. Wow. You understand, man? Ghana musicians, sometimes you give these people the chance, they do show. Then it's me, I'm not be like any Ghana musician. Shouts to every Ghana musician, every day do your hard work. I know they envy you or anything. You understand me? Why they talk the truth. Anyway, you go fit take come service, you come on for that. You understand me? I be different, like I'm with God. The thing I'm doing in the gospel, why people just they say like I can't. But Jesus Christ, they be so here you go people talk. Jesus Christ. But if so, why Jesus Christ? So like they work. Somebody say, look at this guy. Say it's God's son. That's how the world is. God don't make me like the way you want to see me and just do this thing. How can you behave like that? Why don't you tell the people the truth? What type of show? The event house that organized these white people with their like proper brains, polished brains that help black men to grow. Why didn't you tell them? The calls they were making to tell you that the artists should bring cam no. It be high security risk artists. You don't listen to them because they see me like, oh, yeah, let me there. It's like all the artists. Hey, I keep telling you people every time, but people don't want to listen. That's why I play demigod for you, make you understand. But my man called God, oh. So we talk to God. So anything I go talk. If you not happy. But let's make God want make you happy. But if I talk into your life, you go happy. You understand me? Like the way I prayed for my fans yesterday. I tell God, make it visit everybody, touch everybody.
Se wale ba bonten na obe Rant say ya. Se wo fa ne tra. E wo se dia ubesi ate asem na siafa. Uye hater, e wo kwan ya be fa so obete asem na siafa. So you be our preconceived thought about Shatta. E wo kwan ya be fa so obete asem na siafa. But so you be a wadwimo odu aye badwema. Onso e wo kwan ya ofa so a obete asem na siafa. Muntie ni ye to me, muntie ni ye. To me, the entire Wale na all complaining say omo mo chikele wole, omo meton gas ne sanyo mani omani nyina omo be ye den wo event no ase ni. On say a lot di can by life. Ebe can say gas na explode wo ho no. E kan ho bi and a master stampede de e baye. And so short timer a lot di anu see ye anytime Shatta Wale buy to me na me new na me ben Shatta Wale. But me read the diplomatic condition into what Shatta Wale came out to say now. I think say share Alodia video ni bi. And I say bi obi man no update about Alodia live now okoye no. Dienti ana Shatta Wale anya bre enuane fo no ne asem kwala games ne sa nyoma ni nyina anie. Se wadru empempen so na Shatta Wale adru na. E was say una we center of attraction for that event. to be in a flight from Ghana to UK, say oko entertain your fans no. Enye Kala Wale a ye chesem. Artist bia no a wadru stage na Shatta Wale adru no ene nia esi ye no obeka na no atum ebe ne de. Anka wo dan a wo se contractor na ni tene. The event was ShattaFest UK 2026. Okay? And no, say after the event, no, say ShattaFest UK 2026, no, enya the traction, which means bibi koswa na aye wrong. And so you'll be a what call live events acha, what call park events acha. Aya na enuane for no, ye informo men baby a, ama for jomino. Ye do mu ko baby e chire baby where come so tie Shatta Wale rant ni ya also background didi nebra and people were like oh na say a park event a family gathering in yoma yes dienti Shatta Wale use such voice any tone no any examples no say sabi Ghana ye kura ye wakasa yete wo honom. Oh, a lot of the church and send be bremu. But nanu see ye no. Come here say ye entertainment space, you know. Adi omutimi for free. A lot ya kasa ni mu nyina ne say sold out to be party be a lot ya ekokan ye. Eno na Ghana entertainment industry here mo. And some a lot ya kan ye ni nyina come here say ye media no o man tehwe. Na mom the sold out part no. Eno na Ghana entertainment space, etimi pike ya. Yede narrative. Yo. Awesa, sebi a Lord ya beka saye. Wale enim the psychology of Ghana entertainment industry. Enunti, wale ye nipa, asema a person oti free no hono. Obete. Wale nim said Ghana for entertainment space no. Yesi jene. Ewiasu no obi edilia, osha the psychology, ansa nani na communicate. Niana wale pa chire nyina ne se ekwan na omo fa so place enkwada agro no ekwan na omo fa so omo place enuanefo no it was totally wrong. It was totally wrong because say idea omo position enuanefo no wo different place bia wo a walk distance bia enka gas no kra explode ye no ke enya impact e wo gate na no Wale anu masem nyina ni. But so wale can say ya enya ade a Ghana for beti. Enya ade a Ghana entertainment space no ebe hu nia wale pa kire. Ana kasa Ghana entertainment space ne ebeti ase ene se. Omo mu ton aduane no mo be ye den wo ho. Se meboa kasa meboa. Anu ti wale anu si ye no. Kwahwe Ghana entertainment space no enu no obi apeke. Se wale se aduane for no be ye den wo ho. Because while in him how the entertainment space thinks. But so what trans now read the diplomatic condition of Shatta Wale rant now or the bar life now. It has nothing to do with any phone in Kwalani and your man course no derby. But while in him kasa or can entertainment space ni be some traditional media phone be some. But who read the meaning? Kasa ya dia answer no be kasa obetia say this wajinu mudo. Because situation na esino. Now no e come here say obia se gas na e paye no. E jaba ye no. Because miti a Lord ya no na Lord ya part say even gas na explode ye na jani sanyo man na manfo jani free ho no. A creative tension will get na no ne sanyo man no. E koye say council ni say omuntwen specialist and to Ghana for being a day and ye ding ekodum jano and no contributed to the stampede. But Ghana for sakasa we oka yente to stay relevant in Ghana entertainment space, you need the level of communication as Shatta Wale ye ni bi. Ansana Would Danyania ya can once more, yes, I'll be fading out. I don't think your boys no more back, no more call, because they don't even know how to communicate to the Ghana entertainment space to get the traction, to push their information across. Eyaw. Eya. I don't see, metaphor so say Wale air trendy now. A man for blame when it's identity or attack a journey for in your manner. The woman ma catch on. How the place was demarcated. And koye. I don't think yes, you free mood this time. They say Yami Adma next time, no Ghana party in the park, whatever park event biano. And Yane for no Mama ye more different space cry all together. Now omo have a fun now. Omo person omo enjoy musicians and any other activities no. Omo so different place and kwala no different place. We any asema Wale e de bae. Tia. Nemum Wale you see language sabi Ghana entertainment space no ebete. Kasa mugu ahodro bebre. Enuntina kasa emugwa hudro bebre. Enu nti obi timi kasa na obi sre, obi timi kasa na obi su, obi timi kasa na obi di niti akobodan mu, obi timi kasa na no si ya announce no o de kasa ahwa no na wo kasa, obi timi kasa na okọ, but unkwa na nyina be kanipa no asem sa. Wale understands this psychology. Me pese me kasa bebre. Long live Shatta Wale.